Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will see how to troubleshoot java.lang.IllegalStateException or the driver executable does not exist. See, when we get this java.IllegalStateException, there are several reasons. This is basically because it is showing the driver executable does not exist as this location. So what it is happening is, when we run the code, it is trying to find out the driver on this location and it is not able to find. It's very self-explanatory. We have to check it whenever we get any error. We really have to see the error, and it's very easy. It's simple English. We have to just see what it is showing. Clearly it is showing that driver executable does not exist at this location. So what we have to see, we have to go and find out. So definitely there is some mistake in this location path only. So what we should do to avoid the mistakes, we should always, the moment we took the driver file from the net, that Chrome driver website, as per your system specification, I have taken this Chrome driver Win32. So first we should always unzip it. If we give the zip file location, it will never work it. So we should always download it in some place and then unzip it and keep it in some folder. Suppose I have kept it in this folder. So what we should do, we should never try to type the location, write the location. We should always simply, what we have to do is copy paste. So here if we see, this is Win32 and here this just a simple mistake, 2 is missing. That's what it is not able to find the correct location. So to avoid this, we should always go to that folder structure and copy paste the same thing. Never do typing or never think that you know the location and then just you can write or type, because it might make some mistakes. And then change the forward slash, single forward slash to double forward slash, all the single forward slash to double forward slash. Anyway, this forward slash thing will be taken care by Eclipse, so it will, like here it is showing this error, it will show even if you keep in the course also, so that shouldn't be an issue. You will be able to know then and there. But the path, these things will be very exact, each and everything. And then once you have given the location, you have to give the driver name. See, so the driver name is Chrome driver. So that also you should never try to type it. The best way to avoid all these things is always take this and copy paste. So there will be 0% chance to make any mistakes. Again, put double forward slash and copy paste. Here one more thing to notice. If you are a Windows user, then you have to give this extension of the file. This is a exe file, I will show you. So you have to give the extension of the file, .exe file, see, .exe. So this you have to give only for Windows user. If you are Mac user, then you need not to give .exe file. Only Chrome driver or whatever driver you are using, Gecko driver or whatever, it should work. Only for Windows user, you have to give .exe extension. Without .exe extension also, it will not work. I will show you. See, because I am a Windows user and I am trying to run with without the extension exe. So let's see whether it's working or not. And for Mac, it's vice versa. For Mac, always you have to give you should never give .exe extension, but for Windows you have to give .exe. See, again we are getting the driver executable does not exist at this location. So you have to give .exe location. Let's see now whether it's work or not. See, it's working. It's opening the browser nicely. It opened the browser. Now one more thing I will show you. Sometimes, see, now path is clear, path is ready, but sometimes what we do, make a mistake here. We make mistake here in giving this value. So what we should do here, it should be exact like webdriver.chrome.driver. And if you are not able to remember it, or if suppose you are giving anything like capital W, it's a case sensitive. And even if you give WebDriver or something, see what we are getting. Capital WebDriver or something, see we are getting the path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.chrome.driver. See how beautiful it is. It is himself telling you what to do. It is showing the path to the driver executable be set by this driver, this path, this value. So you need not to do anything. If you don't remember it, write something here, run the program, automatically it will show you the value, and then just type it here. Just copy paste. Don't do anything. See the beauty of Selenium. It's a very self-explanatory. It will tell you everything. You just have to read the error messages very carefully. Then you will be able to troubleshoot all your errors. See. Now run it. See, it opened nicely. So hope this video helps you in resolving the illegal state exception. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video.